everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our brand new collection for February. It's called Summer Sonata, and let me take you through the collection and all the beautiful things. I'll start with the collection pack and the papers to show you all the beautiful things. It's kind of a shabby chic Parisian style inspired collection, and it is oh so beautiful. So this is the front and back. Oh, sorry, I should show you. This one's called Summer Rose. This one is Bird Song. There's the B side. This one is The Avenue. B side. This one's Sonata in D, and it is so pretty. I love the gorgeous little birds. Really is a beautiful collection. This one is Au Revoir, and I'm sure I'm not saying that right, but it is really pretty. Can you tell I didn't design this one? I didn't name them. This one is Vintage Collage, B-side. And this one is Delighted Tags and Titles. Love all the tags in there. B-side. And this one is called Charming Accents, which is your gorgeous little fussy cutting one. And your B-side. What else have we got we're releasing? Okay, so new releases, we've got obviously the Summer Sonata creative cuts and a whole bunch of vellum creative cuts. So these also are adhesives if you want to make them adhesive. You can peel them off. It's a little bit tricky to get them off, but if you want to persist, you can peel them off, and they're actually like a little washi, or you can just use them like this as the vellum. The 6x6 in the Summer Sonata, great for card making. Our puffy stickers now come in gold. So this is a really nice little gold in the puffy. We have got our laser cut. So this is Love You, High Note, really quick. That's the Sonata style. 2 cut apart sheets, which you can use with our dies, obviously. And these little here for card makers, if you're getting the big kit, are different words to the one that comes in the card kit, if you can see that. So this is actually different, more scrapbooking words, and this one is more card making words. This is the cardstock bundle. So if you wanted to add on a cardstock bundle to your order, you're going to get 2 Chantilly lace, 2 rain, 2 meadow, 2 fluffy bunny, and 2 wisteria, and they look gorgeous together. And of course, the collection pack. There are 2 dies we're releasing this month. This one here is called Eiffel Tower, and it's this beautiful little filigree Eiffel Tower, and the sweet little birds. You can actually layer these birds or use them individually. So they're really cute. The magazine, lots of gorgeous layout ideas and all the instructions in the magazine. And of course there is card ideas in the back as well. Lots of sweet card ideas. And let me show you some of the gorgeous layouts the team have done. So we got It's a Beautiful Life. Really cute. So if you're buying the kit, these come in the kit. I'll take you through what's in the kit in a second. But lots of beautiful layouts that you can create with this collection. And they all just look stunning. Okay, let me show you what's in the kit if you are waiting to get the kit on the 5th. Kit's always released on the 5th of the month. So this is what's in the kit. You have got some of our beautiful lace pieces. These ones are our delicate lace. A packet of our mixed cogs, which has got the brass, the rose gold, the gold, and the silver in it. Some of those beautiful new golden puffy stickers. The cut apart sheet. This is the laser cut, sorry. The vellum creative cuts, the regular creative cuts, the full magazine, as I showed you before, cut apart sheet, some of our stickers. These are our Believe word stickers, a sheet of Meadow cardstock, and a 12x12 collection pack. So absolutely jammed pack full of value again, like so much value, well over $80 worth of value in this kit. The card kit is also available. So you've got all of your things in here. You've got the cards and envelopes, the bling, the ribbon, the collection pack in the 6x6, and the creative cuts. And this folds out and shows you all of these gorgeous cards. Also, don't forget that we have got our brand new kit releasing this month, which is our Storyteller kit, which is a simple double page layout kit, scrapbooking lots of photos to create an entire album of your year. That's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Kit's available on the 5th. Storyteller will be available on the 1st. And all this collection is available now. Till next time. Bye.